Sustainability is important to me so we can all maintain our quality of life as human beings, the diversity of life in our environment, plus preserve our world's ecosystems. We need to strive for sustainability in our own homes and our communities. We can work on sustainability every day. It doesn't need to be complicated. When my day begins, I make a conscious effort to be a role model of sustainability. Here are some examples of how I try to be sustainable and tips for you to live green as well. When I brush my teeth, I turn off the water when it isn't being used. This conserves the water supply in our home. During meals, try to eat less meat. Try eating something like apples, beans, or eggs instead. Throughout the day, make an effort to recycle. Try using refillable water bottles as much as you can instead of the small plastic ones. Before heading into a grocery store, use reusable bags. If possible, ride bikes or scooters places you need to go. When you can't ride bikes or scooters, use green cars. When you shower, try using a timer to limit the amount of water you use. Taking these simple steps is one of the most important ways you can influence others and create a more sustainable future for people in the future.